3, 2, 1.
If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'd play a song that would never, never end. I would love, love, love to dance with my father again. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. And I never love dance with my father again.
Alam pa. Thank you, Tita Connie. Alam mo ba yung kantang yan? Favorite rin po namin yung Villa Sisters kasi kanta po namin yan sa papa ko.
Anong pasensya na? Medyo pagod lang
Papa
galing.
namin kasi
Pangod ako galing ang gig, medyo pangit yung boses.
nung namatay na siya. Kanta namin yan sa kanya.
Hindi ko pa alam yung kanta eh. Walang pinapang-dafta tinawag.
Sabi niya, pasensya na daw po kasi medyo pagod na daw siya. Hindi niya pa daw masyado alam yung kanta.
Ulitin ko na lang sabi.
Ulitin niya na lang daw kapag may time. At mas may
Powerful.
power daw.
Walang
Sige
power eh.
po. Thank you, Tita Cos. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat.